how to enable or disable answer calls using speaker on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. After that, tap on interaction and dexterity. And from here, tap on answering and ending calls. Then tap on answer using speaker. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here, when you turn it on, it will use speaker by default when there's no headset or Bluetooth device connected. And that's it. Here, if I turn it on, you can see if I make a call, and the speaker will be turned on by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.